Red light is on. Hey, my name's Max. Welcome to 63 Fixed bike check number 2. It's track time. Here comes Rowan. So what we got here is a nice lightweight Icini track frame. It's gone through a few people, literally. Woo! What we've got on here is a set of Miche Primato Advanced cranks with some Crank Brothers candy pedals. Keep it nice and set up for the track.
Ooh. Check that shit.
With a Miche bottom bracket tucked away in there.
Didn't catch.
Which is nice. Easton EA50. What are we doing? Easton EA50 seat posts. Nice, with a Physic Alianti carbon seat post. Check that out. Check underneath.
Holy shit.
Check out the carbon shizzle on that. You can put a light in there. You can pop that out.
That just comes right out there.
Put a light in there if you like.
That's awesome. What's that? Sorry.
Physic Alianti carbon twin flex.
Sick.
It's pretty sick, man, I'll tell you. What else is up? My hair, obviously. We got some Physique bar tape, soft touch bar tape, really nice.
That's really nice.
It's really nice. Black quill stem with a semi-sealed 1-inch threaded headset. It's pretty nice.
Hot damn.
Very nice. Nothing too expensive. Set of track forks, which is cool. We got the Dicomp Grand Comp hubs, which are really nice. On the Halo caliber rims. If I spin around, you get the next bit. Oh. Caliber 38mm deep. Shit. Same on the back, Grand Comp hub.
So you might say, on the back, I've got a Halo.
I've got a Halo. Look at my dirty Halo. Hello, 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 hello. Say hello, 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 hello. And you want to say also got Halo lock ring.
Where's your head? Rockling! You want number 56, Rockling! Order it now from www.fixgear.com.
Continental Ultra Gators.
Gator Ultra. Very fast.
Wait, what? A lot of people in America probably want to know this. What's your gear ratio?
4.
48/16.
4.
It's probably like a 72-inch gear or something
or
stupid.
Just 4.
It's fucking quick.
5 for the track.
Well, it's good for the track, huh?
Yeah, let's ride it.
Let's give it a go.
Yeah, let's go, mate. I'll tell you what.
Let's go, man.
Obviously, safety in mind. You've got to have your
safety first.
Your hat on.
Get your racing
Assos. Not from Assos the clothes thing that like your girlfriend spends all her money on, but Assos the cycling gear. Pilly cat's back, a bit like iced tea.
Got the stickers on there.
Yeah. Clip it in.
Should be okay.
Check your line. Get on it. Whoa!